This is my ENME489 facial detection assignment. So in this code, the first thing we do is we import the packages and then define the input arguments for the user to give us. And then after that, we read in the video, we find the video dimensions, and we determine the total number of frames in that video. After that, we use this information to define the output parameters for the video that we will be creating after our detection. After this, we define our model and load the model onto the disk, or from the disk, excuse me. After that, we go into our while loop, and in this while loop, for each frame, we create a blob of the image, and then we pass this blob through the network in order to detect faces. And then if the confidence of the detected face that we just received is larger than the minimum confidence that was described in the beginning of the code, then we create a bounding box with dimensions of start x, start y, end x, and end y, and we draw that bounding box around the face. Now, if we want to cover the face with a solid colored box, we simply replace all of the pixels within that bounding box with a solid color, such as 0, 0, 0, as we use right here. And then if we want to blur the image, we simply blur the pixels within the bounding box, and then we replace the pixels within that bounding box with the blurred pixels that we just created. After that, we write the frame to video file, and then we release the video and destroy all windows. Now for this assignment, I just created two different codes that are virtually identical, except one covers and creates a video called facial detection video cover.mp4, and then another that blurs the face and creates a video called facial detection video blur.mp4. Now here I'm going to run the code that covers the face. As you can see here, first it finds the dimensions of the video, and it says that there are 294 frames in the video, and it goes through all 294 frames and detects the faces. And now it has created that, and then we will create the video that blurs the faces. We'll start that. And it goes through, same dimensions, same number of frames. Then we just wait. Alright, now we have created the videos that both cover the face and blur the face for all the frames in the video. Now if I go into my files, I have the facial detection video blur, which shows up over here. As you can see here, the face in the video is blurred for the entirety of the video. Now I'll go into my files again, and I have facial detection video cover. I do the same thing. It's the same exact video, and the face is covered by a black screen, just like this, for the entire video.